Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do some neon with acrylic pigments and some drips. Right, so I'm going to start off with the Urban Graffiti Snow White as a base coat. You're going to do these with gel polish. Instead of an acrylic sculpt, then you would need to prep, dehydrate and base coat. But I don't need to do that with this. But cap the free edge, you don't want any lifting. Just getting as close to that cuticle as I can. Pop that under 30 seconds please, and we're going to do 2 coats of that. So I'm using the Nail Nails Top Banana, then Twisted Tango, and Wild Strawberry, Vivid Violet. Now it's time to make a mess. I'm using a fan brush, and I've left a sticky layer on because I want the acrylic powders to stick to the gel. I'm gonna pick up a little bit, like tap it in. Same with the next one. Let's make a mess. I'm literally just patting it on. Take off all the excess. Then I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm going to encapsulate the acrylic. Pop it under the lamp, 60 seconds please. I'm going to use Serious Black. Pop a little bit into a palette. Load up my brush. And I'm going to do some drips. So I'm going to start off down here, one of the longer drips. Go brush up and drag up. Do another one there, and then another one here. And I'm just going to fill all this cuticle area with black. I think these nails would look really nice with like the drippy lips. Don't worry about the acrylic powder that's around a finger because I'll be able to wipe that off once we've finished. So pop that under the lamp please, 30 seconds. Using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal that design in. Pop that under the lamp for another minute. I'm just going to wipe off with the Nail Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. Try and get rid of some of this acrylic powder that's on a nail. Pop some oil on the cuticle area. Rehydrate the nail underneath. And there's our neon pigmented drip nail. I really like that with the neon stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and all the products are listed below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!